Come on, you got. Appropriate place for it. Look at that one.
Put that on me.
Go ahead, see. Got 9mm. Let's do it.
I can't even hear you.
I know it's not supposed to do that. Come on. Come on.
Hey. You need help?
No. You finna need. Oh, you scared? Go to lane 10. Go ahead. Lane 10. Woo! It's real now. Let's do it.
I don't like it.
Don't be scared. Don't show no fear.
It's theirs.
Don't show no fear. There's only one of us that can be right here. Okay?
You go first.
Okay.
How do we do it?
You hanging at the bottom, I think? At the line? At the line. It's gonna be at the line. So look, I can show you this.
My finger's still off trigger, especially Glocks don't have safety.
So look, I can show you this.
Top left.
Whenever you're trying to put a bullet in, mash them down. There's a count. It shows you how. You got all the way up to about 15.
How you know if it's something in there?
Huh?
How you know how many in there?
It says it on there.
It's got like no recoil. It's just a really easy shoot. Do you want to shoot before he puts one down?
Yeah, I was gonna say you shoot.
You can come up here and try. Get it in the gun. When you get it in the gun, you can't be up here, or I can't be up here with you.
Okay. I put in 3.
But you would usually just look at it, and you would know when they all in there.
I'll take left side.
They should have headphones for your chest.
You feel it, though. The big guns are crazier.
And you wanted one?
They boom the ground. So look.
These things go fly.
When I hit how far I wanted to go and enter, and then go. Let me see. I forgot it. Yeah, type of yard. So the numbers depend on how far I want to go. I think it's as many as it goes. One more. Hell no, this list can take some.
Wait.
Barrel's always going to be hot. Take this.
The gun will get hot too. Like. got torque. Please be careful. Please be careful. Look. You come up there. You come up. You can tell. I got aim. I mean, that's close. Any pistol's supposed to be close, though. When you get the big gun in there, it's harder to aim because of how far it is. Now I'm gonna let you go.
Put it in there for me.
Put it. All right. So I'm gonna keep it like that.
How do you do it?
Push it in there.
Oh, I would have been dead.
Get on forces. Come on.
I would have been dead. I don't know how to do that. But how you
I'm not gonna. Here, you didn't gotta put so many in there. They cost, babe. No, we get to have these, right?
No.
We already.
You should have bought the ones that were good.
This what goes for my gun.
Babe, how do I
These are 9mm.
I don't know how to do it.
These are the same ones.
I don't even know how to put a battery in, so come on.
Alright, you would have been dead, babe.
Yep.
Zombie would have got you. I'm not gonna put so many in there for you, but I'm gonna end this clip and I'm gonna
Alright, how many?
Go ahead. It's in there? Okay. That's good. Keep it pointed at that though. Don't have to touch. It's in there. Alright, then you pull that back and aim at that. Both hands. Both hands. Aim at your target. Why are you loose with it? You need to be tight. It's gonna jump.
How do I even hold it up?
Okay, put it down. You too loose with it.
What do you mean lose? I was holding it.
Your hand. What you trying to do? You trying to... Okay.
Like hold it like tight like this?
Look. That is ready to shoot. You can't do all that. Hold it like this. Like that. Two hands. This is helping this hand. Okay? Like that. And once you put your finger right there, it's gonna shoot. You ain't gotta cock it back no more. It's already cocked back.
This?
Oh my god. Yes, like that. But put your finger inside of that. There you go. Aim at that. Keep it up. Do not point it.
Let me see the video.
Come on, you got. It popped back to you. That's the gun shell. When you you still got more. You can shoot some more. Shoot one more.
I'm scared.
Aim at that target. What you scared of?
Oh, no,
You can't scare everybody else in here. You gotta act like you know what you're doing. Wait. Let me see. What you hit?
Nothing.
You missed?
Oh, it's at the top.
Oh, you're not supposed to shoot at the top. You're supposed to shoot at the target.
Okay.
Okay. You don't have to cock it. Just keep going.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Hold it. Hold it tight. Yeah, you're not a good aimer. Aim at the gray.
Not the gray.
Yeah, at the gray, at the body. At the body.
Right here?
Aim at the body.
Here?
No, you keep it up there. Use that white
I
dot.
wasn't dead in The Walking Dead.
Oh God, use the white dot.
The white dot.
Use the white dot.
Right there.
Yeah. Do not put it to your face. There you go. Go down, son. Right there. Shoot. There you go. Shoot. All right, let me shoot it. Let me get my time in there.
Hold on.
You can't be scared in The Walking Dead.
Oh, I'm
All right, come on. It's still loaded. Don't do too much. There you go. Hold it with 2 hands. No. Feel like you scared them. They had to go down there.
I don't care. I want them away from me anyway.
Yeah.
It's too much going on. Bro, I want to see my stuff. Bring it up.
Funny, y'all.
I didn't do
No,
that.
man, she did
I
good.
did not do that. My stuff is here, 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 and here, and here, here.
She got one in. She would have killed the zombie.
That was my first time.
You wouldn't have killed the zombie because we need a headshot.
Hey, I'm trying here.
I know you did
We
good.
got 1,000,000 more to go. You shoot. I don't. Well, at least I know how to do it now.
I was getting wonky though. I'm going for the top. I'm gonna try to get a headshot.